Congratulations, you got your offer accepted. Now what happens? This is where escrow begins, and I want to walk you through the loan process step by step so you know exactly what to expect and feel confident the whole way through escrow. So you're going to get an introductory email from me and my team with your dedicated support contacts who on my team are going to reach out to you. We'll outline the immediate next steps needed and collect any updated documents we need, like fresh pay stubs or bank statements. You'll also receive a task to receive and review your initial disclosures. These are an early estimate of your loan terms, fees, and costs. It's important to know these are not final. By law, lenders are required to over-disclose certain costs and fees up front, so fees may look a bit padded. Don't worry, these numbers almost always come down as we finalize things. My team's gonna review these with you. If you have any questions, you're gonna sign these electronically to move forward. So another step is homeowner's insurance. So you as a buyer, this is your responsibility to choose who you want as your home insurer, but we'll send you a quote from a trusted independent broker in case you like to compare options. It's usually best to have this locked in within the first 2 to 3 days of escrow so you can get that done and forget about it. Finally, you'll send in your earnest money deposit, also referred to as an EMD. This is your good faith deposit to the seller. It's usually 1 to 3% of the purchase price, and it gets applied to your final closing funds. So it's not an extra cost. This is due within 3 business days of your offer being accepted. I'll reach out to you on it, and the realtor will as well, and so will escrow. So while you're doing that, I'll be shopping multiple banks to lock in the best possible rate, loan type, and timeline for your situation. Next, we submit your loan to underwriting and order the appraisal. And this is also where we decide whether to lock or float your rate. So locking your rate in means we're securing today's rate for your entire escrow period. Even if rates rise, you're protected, you locked it in. Floating means you want to wait to see if rates improve. The upside is you can get a lower rate. The risk is if rates climb, you may end up with the higher one by the time we lock. We have to lock before the end of escrow. So we'll review your options and decide together based on market conditions and your comfort level of what you want to do. Once the underwriter reviews your file, you'll receive a conditional approval. That means you're approved, but we may need additional documents or clarifications to get it finally approved. So sometimes it takes multiple rounds of conditions and documents we need from you. That's completely normal. The key is responsiveness here, and getting the documents back quickly keeps us all on track. My team will always guide you step by step so you're never left guessing. If we need something from you, we'll let you know. Meanwhile, the appraisal will be completed. The appraiser is going to give an independent opinion of the home's value for the bank to make sure that they are comfortable lending on the property. So if it comes in at value, that means perfect. We keep moving. If the appraisal comes in low, we'll strategize next steps. That doesn't automatically mean you bring more money in. There are options there, so we'll talk through that. If it comes in higher, congratulations, you just gained instant equity. You got a great deal on your house. One thing to note is that even if you got a great deal, the appraisers almost never value above the purchase price. So their role is to validate, not inflate, is what we say. So once all the conditions are satisfied, you send them to them, the underwriter cleared them, and the appraisal's in, and we got that cleared. That's when we have the final loan approval. So this is also called the clear to close. So at this point, escrow and that bank are gonna finalize or balance the numbers. So that's when they look at each other and make sure these are the final fees. Then the 2 final steps for you are number 1, wiring any remaining funds. So unless you're using a VA loan or down payment assistance, where sometimes no additional funds are required, you'll send in the rest of your money that you owe beyond that earnest money deposit. Step 2 is signing your final loan documents. So this is gonna happen typically with a mobile notary who's gonna come to you wherever and whenever it's convenient. So we'll just let you know, hey, when you get this scheduled, they'll come by your house, coffee shop, and you guys sign final loan documents. So lastly, your loan funds. This typically happens before noon on your closing day. So after it funds, the county is going to record the transfer of ownership, and that's when you officially get your keys. This entire escrow timeframe typically takes 21 to 30 days from start to finish, and that's the escrow process. It can feel like a lot of moving parts, but my team and I are here every step of the way to keep you on track and make it as smooth and stress-free as possible.